The 2026 Apple desktop lineup marks a shift from general-purpose speed toward a specialized AI architecture. With the M5 chip already making its debut in high-end portables in late 2025, the focus for 2026 shifts to the desktop, where thermal headroom and power delivery will allow these chips to reach their full potential. The M5 Mac Mini, codenamed J873, is expected to maintain its ultra-compact 5 by 5-inch footprint, but will undergo a massive internal transformation. The standard M5 chip is built on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, N3P, which enables a 15% increase in multi-threaded CPU performance and a 30% jump in graphics power. Early benchmarks show the M5 reaching a record-breaking single-core score of 4,263 on Geekbench 6, making it the fastest consumer CPU core currently in existence. Storage is also seeing a long-awaited bump, with rumors suggesting the base model will finally start at 512 GB of SSD storage, effectively doubling the previous entry-level capacity. For the M5 Pro Mac Mini, the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5 is the standout feature. This protocol supports bandwidth boost technology, allowing for up to 120 gigabits per second of data transfer, essential for professionals using high-speed external RAID arrays or multiple 8K displays. The Pro variant is also expected to offer higher memory ceilings, potentially topping out at 64 gigabytes of unified memory, which bridges the gap between the budget Mini and the higher-end Studio. The 2026 Mac Studio is set to skip the M4 generation entirely to debut the M5 Max and M5 Ultra. The most revolutionary rumor surrounding these chips is a modular block architecture. Unlike previous designs where the CPU and GPU were fixed together on a single die, the M5 Max may feature separate blocks. This would allow Apple to offer unique configurations, such as a GPU-heavy model with a base CPU, specifically for AI training and 3D rendering tasks where a massive CPU is unnecessary. The M5 Ultra is expected to fuse two of these Max chips using an updated Ultra Fusion interconnect, potentially delivering over 150 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth and over 4x the AI compute performance of the M4. This technological leap has effectively rendered the Mac Pro obsolete. Reports indicate that Apple has largely written off the tower format because it no longer offers a performance advantage over the Studio. Since Apple Silicon does not support external GPU, eGPU, expansion through its PCIe slots, the Mac Pro has become an expensive $7,000 enclosure for storage cards that could otherwise be connected via Thunderbolt. As a result, the Mac Studio is being positioned as the sole flagship professional workstation, while the Mac Pro may be quietly discontinued or relegated to a legacy maintenance cycle. Expected pricing for the new lineup remains aggressive, with the M5 Mac Mini starting at $599 and the M5 Pro at $1,399. The Mac Studio is expected to maintain its $1,999 starting price for the Max and $3,999 for the Ultra. These units are likely to be officially unveiled during the June 2026 Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC.